Hey there, welcome to GTECH AI. Want to edit images without writing any prompt? In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to use Reve AI smart editing tool to transform photos quickly and easily without needing prompt writing skills. Whether you are editing YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, product photos, or professional images, Reve AI helps you to create professional quality results in a just few clicks. Now here, open the Reve AI here. Here is my album project. At first, follow the sign up processes. I have dropped tutorial on how to use the Reve AI. Now here, what you do now here is to click on new album here. Click on it like this. Now it will bring you here to the Reve AI editing page. Now here, what you do now here is to, here you can upload it here. You can see. Now upload the image you want to edit or the photo you want to edit here by clicking this upload here. Now go to the storage where you save the photo here. You can copy and paste it if you are using desktop. And here go to the folder where you save the image you want to edit here or the photo here. Go to the storage and here click on it. Let's start editing it. As you can see, it is uploading. As you can see, it have uploaded. Now wait for it to process. Now as you can see, it have processed it. Now to edit this image, you can change the text here by clicking on the text like this. You can see, and then click on edit here, and then type what you want to change here like this. Let me change it to, and here you can see what I type here. Now click on, this is just an example, and click on good here. Now here you can edit the text here, every text here, and also you can also move it here by clicking on it like this. You can move it by dragging it. You can see, you can move it, and then you can also edit it by clicking on this edit on each side here, and then type what you want to see. Here I will type love, and then click on good here. You can also change the color by selecting the color here. Click on good. Let me change this text also and show you how to move it. This is just an example. Now, here let me add color to it to show you how. And click on good here. Now here to move the pen, now here to move objects here like this person here. To move objects, what you can do here is to click on it like this, and then you can see the matrix, the metric form, the dimension form, dimension line here. You can move it any place you like here. You can also change the face expression here also by clicking on the face here. You can see, and then describe how you want the face to be. You can see how I describe it now, and click on the good here. Now here also, here you can move the face how you want the face to look, how you want the face to be. Here you can see the matrix form, matrix line. Now how to move it here, the 2D matrix line. This is one unique feature of this Reve AI here. You can see, now move it to any place you want it to be, but here I will leave it straight here. Now here, now after editing everything, what you do now here is to click on this apply here, to apply it like this, and then wait for the AI to do its work. Now here you can see how it changed it here. You can see how it make it look. You can change everything you like here, even the color, even the everything. Just edit it, move it, and then apply it like this. These are helpful tips. If you are using smartphone, make sure you set it on desktop side here. You can see, make sure your browser here has desktop side. In order to use the full feature of this AI tool here, make sure you set it on desktop side. You can see my own is in desktop side. You also make sure you move it perfectly in order to avoid any issue. You see, make sure you move it perfectly, not out of the frame but in the frame. And also you can save it by clicking this downloading here, this downloading icon here. Now let's test it on YouTube thumbnail. Now here, let me open a new album and upload YouTube thumbnail here. Now you can go to another album by clicking on it like this, and then click on new album here. Now here, what you do now is to click on upload and edit again. Now here, click on here, photos. Now go to the folder where you save the YouTube thumbnail you want to edit here. Here, let me use this YouTube thumbnail for an example here. Let me click on it. It have generated the details of the YouTube thumbnail here. You can see you can edit anyone by clicking on it like this. It will give you the prompt, and also you can slide down here and click on the thumbnail like this. You can see you can change anything you want. You can change this like this. Type another thing here. Let me type it here. And here you can see it. Now here, click on this good icon here. You can color it. Now here, after describing or changing anything you want to change here, every detail is on your fingerprint. Everything on the image is now editable. Everything on the image is now editable. Now after editing it, what you do now is to click on this apply here and let it do its work here. Now here you can see how it edited it. You can see it changed it to all in one tutorial as I described it. You can see even the AI, generative AIs can make it perfect like this. And also even now it is editable. You can see here it is editable. Even now you can edit it again. Also you can download it here. Let's download it here and know how it look. And click on download again. Now here, let me open it. Let's see how it look. You can see how it look so perfect. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Now see you on the next one. Check the full tutorial on how to use Reve AI. See you there.